If your Squarespace site is showing an SL error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now. We'll go through the Squarespace dashboard, adjust the SL setting, wait for the certificate to refresh, and then verify everything in a fresh browser window. I'll also show you where to check the official Squarespace status page in case the problem is actually caused by a server outage. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website troubleshooting tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the site editor for the website that's having the SSL issue. Once you're inside your site settings, go to Settings, then Developer Tools, and then SSL. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top and type SSL to find the correct menu faster. This is where Squarespace controls the security certificate settings for your site. Now, look for your active security setting. If it's currently set to Secure Preferred, change it to Insecure. This step helps force Squarespace to drop the stuck or frozen certificate state so it can reset properly. After you switch it, click Save. Once you save the change, do not rush this part. Wait exactly 10 minutes so the database has time to clear and refresh the certificate information. While you're waiting, this is a good time to quickly check the official Squarespace status page. If there's a server outage or an issue affecting SSL services on their side, that could be the real reason your certificate is not updating. So open the Squarespace status page and look for any active incidents or maintenance notices. If everything is green, then you can continue with the fix on your site. After the 10 minutes are up, go back into the SL settings and switch the security mode back to Secure Preferred, then check the box next to Sub-Secure if it's available. This tells Squarespace to re-enable the secure configuration and helps the browser recognize the certificate correctly. Once again, click Save to apply the updated SL settings. Now comes the verification step. Open your website in a completely fresh Incognito or private browsing tab. This is important because your normal browser session can store old cache and certificate data that makes the problem look like it still exists. In the Fresh tab, reload your website and check whether the sale certificate has re-verified. If the site loads securely without the warning, then the reset worked. If the error is still appearing, go back and double-check the Squarespace status page one more time and make sure the SL settings were saved correctly in your dashboard. In many cases though, this simple toggle, wait, and re-enable process is enough to fix a stuck Squarespace SSL error without needing anything more advanced. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next website fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.